So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We're going to talk about West Ham United in for Balogun. They are red hot favourites as it stands right now, ahead of Chelsea, by the way, according to the bookmakers. We're also going to talk about Sky Sports and their god awful, pure and utter lies and rubbish and dramatisation of absolutely everything. They always love to milk stuff, don't they? But listen, this does come back down. In fact, we'll get into it in a minute. Smash the like button. That'd be fantastic. Come on, do the do's. Get it done. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. We are currently sat on, how many are we on? Let's have a look. We are on 84,566. Come on, let's get that up to 85 real quick. Make sure you check out the second channel, Lee Reacts. Also, check out my Rumble account. I've set up Rumble. For now, it'll only just be uploading some videos on their football content. But I can say whatever I want on that platform without fear of being cancelled. So you might just hear me talking about certain other things on there that I feel very passionate about. So just type in Lee Gunner on Rumble and you will find me. So make sure you check that out, people. Once I get the custom URL, then I can throw it in, but I can't do that right now because I've only just set the account up. So yeah, just search on Rumble app Lee Gunner and you will find me. But anyway, where do we start? Let's start with Sky Sports. Absolute BS yet again. Listen to this rubbish, right? This is on their website. Arsenal transfer news. West Ham waiting on Gunners' lawyers to seal Declan Rice deal with Urian Timber arrival imminent. Declan Rice and Urian Timber are set to take Arsenal summer spending to 200 mil. Gunners hopeful of including Timber in the squad for Thursday friendly with FC Nuremberg, while Rice could sign before the squad departs for the US tour on Sunday. West Ham are ready to sign the contracts for Declan Rice to become an Arsenal player. The Hammers are waiting for the Arsenal lawyers to approve the final wording of the deal, and once it is done, they will make the Rice deal complete and he can move to North London. Arsenal are hoping of completing the deal before the squad flies out on Sunday. The deal for the midfielder will cost a club record £105 million fee, broken down into an initial payment of 100 with 5 add-ons. The deal will eclipse Arsenal's previous record purchase, which currently Nikola Pepe for 72 million in 2019. Rice's signing will be just short of the British transfer record, which was set by Chelsea when they paid Benfica 106.8 for Enzo Fernandez in January. Arsenal are also expected to confirm the signing of Urian Timber, with the club hopefully of including him in their squad for the friendly on Thursday. Timber completed his medical ahead of the 38 million transfer from Ajax, and the paperwork is being finalised on a long-term contract. The Gunners will pay 34 million upfront for Timber, with the remainder of the fee made up in performance-related add-ons. Timber is signed as a right-back, a role that was predominantly fulfilled by Benjamin White last season. They called him Ben White. He actually doesn't like that. He likes to be called Benjamin, so Sky fix up. But he can also play at centre-back and has previously attracted interest from Man United. Why did they even put that in there? Right, okay. So let's go right back to the very top. Where are we? The Hammers are waiting for Arsenal's lawyers to approve the final wording of the deal. Once it is done, they will sign and Rice will complete his move to North London. Right, can I just say, yeah, why are they trying to make out that this is like something unprecedented and it's Arsenal taking their time to do it, and it's Arsenal that are longing this out and the wording of this and the lawyers? Have we ever heard them ever mention on a deal ever before? Yeah, that we're waiting for the lawyers to confirm the deal. Have we ever heard Sky Sports? They are bored, mate. Like literally, they are absolutely disgraceful, that platform. Yeah, do you know what? When Sky Sports first came about, yeah, it was new, it was fresh, it was great. Yeah, it was like, wow, we get to watch live football more often, blah, blah, blah. Fantastic. Yeah, the Andy Gray, Richard Keys, Martin Tyler just got there as well. And it was like, that was the originals. Yeah, and it was great. And the longer it's gone, the more they've realised, you know what, we can just con people here. Yeah, we can just especially Sky Sports News. Sky Sports News has got to be the worst transfer information news or just general sports news on any platform on the planet. You've got Dharmesh Chef sitting there just waffling. You got that other idiot. What's his name? Cava. Yeah, Cava. Sky Cava. Cava Solikol. Yeah, that guy is a melt. Yeah, do you remember when Nikola Pepe signed? Yeah, and he was like, no, there's no way they can do it. No, they have got no idea about half of the stuff they're waffling about. And then what they do is they waffle in such a way that they cover all angles. Yeah, they think they're smart. They ain't conning me. Yeah, and I'm lucky I don't get Sky Sports in this country. Yeah, they do not allow Sky Sports in this country, which is great because I don't have to listen to them. But when I get sent stuff like them articles, I'm just like, what is this? Why are they sitting there trying to make out Arsenal holding this deal up because they can? Like, how? Why are they doing this? Have we ever heard of any other deal going, oh, the lawyers have got to finalise the wording? Like, get in the bin. Sky Sports have got no sources whatsoever. Yeah, I've probably got more sources at Arsenal Football Club than they have. I knew Pepe got walked around the ground by Lacazette, walked around the training ground by Lacazette. 2 days later, Arsenal drops it on their YouTube channel. I knew Tierney had already passed his medical before they broke it 4 hours later. Yeah, I was live with Chig on a live stream. I said that. I got a text, boom, done. It's embarrassing, man. It is really embarrassing. And people get conned into this. Yeah, and they do all of this dramatization to get the money back in. So you keep paying your 50, 60, 70, 80 quid a month to watch that crap. Then they mess around with the games, yeah, because they've paid the money. Now they can F around with live match times. They take the piss. I don't know why anybody pays them. I genuinely don't understand why anybody would pay Sky Sports. Yeah, there's plenty of other networks out there that you could choose from. There's plenty. I'm on DAZN España. I get every single Premier League game. Every single one. I get all the League Cup. I get all the FA Cup. I don't get Champions League or Europa League, but I get Turkish League. I get Portuguese League. I get Italian League. Get a bit of the French League. I get women's football. I get Copa Libertadores. I get Brazilian football, MLS football. Then I get F1. I get MotoGP. I get any Eddie Hearn fight for free. Yeah, any Eddie Hearn fight, any Eddie promoted fight, I get for nothing. So AJ is fighting soon. I'll get that for nothing. In England, they're charging you 30 quid for that. Like, it's a joke. I'll get the snooker. I get the tennis. I get the darts. Get all of that for €24.99. Sky Sports is how much? Then you've got to go and pay for BT Sport. Then you've got to pay for Amazon, so you can get all the rest of the games that they'll have. All of a sudden, you've done over 100 a month. Nah, mate, you lot are being robbed. Anyone who's paying for that, yeah, there are alternatives. I'd find another way because, do you know what? Their lack of information, their massive amounts of dramatization just to keep people paying. They dramatize the big six. What are you waffling, mate? No other country on the planet dramatizes a top 4 charge or a big 6. Why is it only England? And then what they do is they sit there on their high horse soon as Saudi come in and buy players and start condemning it. Why? Because the monopoly is slowly going away from them. Yeah, as soon as Saudi get about 200 or 300 proper footballers in that league, yeah, trust me, the Premier League is on its arse. And then they'll be happy to have a Super League then, won't they? Yeah? Remember all of that rubbish, the Super League, and Gary Neville sitting there chatting his absolute crap. Yeah, I watched a video with Rio Ferdinand yesterday. I like listening to Rio because he actually speaks quite a lot of sense. And he called out Jamie Carragher for the Steven Gerrard and Robbie Fowler going out to Saudi. Yeah, I don't know what club Robbie Fowler. I didn't even know until I heard that. But Steven Gerrard and Robbie Fowler are now in Saudi. So where's Carragher? Because he was condemning footballers going out there. So it's all right if it's your mates and they're managing, that's cool. But if it's a footballer that's 29, 30, that's not allowed. Now, what is the matter with these people? Yeah, you got Gary Neville sitting there condemning the Super League. Yeah, when this guy was paying 4 times more money, yeah, to Scottish Premier League players to come and play for his dead football club, right? And he was paying 4 times more the salary of any club in that league to get the players into his club. How's that fine? Yeah, it's a disgrace. That platform is clapped. Yeah, anybody who pays for it, think about it. Just think about it. There are other options out there that are a lot cheaper as well. Yeah, and they're just pulling everyone's pants down. Yeah, they change times of games whenever they feel like it. They ain't got no consideration for their match day fan whatsoever. Yeah, whatsoever. They change games to 7:45 at night. Yeah, on a Saturday night. Sorry, mate, we want to watch football at 3 o'clock on a Saturday, not 7:45. Yeah, and people go, oh yeah, but Lee, without all of the money, your teams wouldn't be doing that. No, without all of the money, the transfer fees wouldn't be as high. Yeah, the clubs would just be doing what they're doing, but just on a lower scale in terms of income, and they wouldn't have to pay so much money out, so it'd be relative anyway. Yeah, but Sky think they're the top boys, the top dogs. They think that they've got the monopoly on everything. They think because our league's the most watched in the world that they can pull everyone's pants down. Well, cool. You ain't pulling mine down, mate. Yeah, more and more people will wake up to it. And then what they'll do is they'll all go and cry to FIFA and UEFA to try and get Saudi to not be able to buy players. And then they'll be, we got there in the end, because they don't like it. They don't like the fact that other clubs want a bit of the money and a bit of the pie. Yeah, but let's not forget, this is the same Premier League. Yeah, the same Premier League that Sky Sports have basically promoted from day dot. Yeah, and peddled out and we've watched on Sky Sports. This is the same Premier League that go to any league on the planet and have done for 30 odd years and go, we want your player, boom, we're having him. We go Holland, we're having him. We're going Belgium, we're having him. We're going Italy, we're having him. We're going Spain, we're having him. Yeah, but now Saudi are coming along and doing it. All of a sudden, that's a problem. Why? Well, because you can't compete because they've got more money. Oh, okay. So now you don't like it. Yeah, think how all the other leagues felt. Hypocrites, a lot of them. And then they've got the audacity to sit on Sky Sports News waffling about lawyers and deals. And Declan Rice deal is done. It is just waiting to be announced whenever Arsenal see fit. Yeah, maybe if Arsenal didn't long it out, yeah, we wouldn't have all of this waffle. Yeah, it's pathetic. They chat absolute crap. I am absolutely so glad I don't have to watch that or have it on my telly or have to pay to watch football via that. I'm so glad. So yeah, anyone that wants to zone a Spaniard, I can tell you for now, it is worth it. Get a VPN. But anyway, if there is a VPN company out there that wants to sponsor me, or if there's a Spaniard want to sponsor me, that'd be great. But anyway, Florin Balogun, can never say his name. We're just calling him Ballo. Ballo, 50 mil to West Ham United, apparently. He is the, West Ham are the favourites to sign him, which is kind of crazy. But we know they've got the money because we've just given them 100 mil. So they have definitely got the money. We know that he is most likely to be leaving because I don't see us keeping him and Eddie Nketiah. I think one or the other goes. And sadly, I do think it'd be Balogun because I think we can get more money for Balogun. I think there'd be more clubs in for him. There's about 8 or 9 looking at him. And I think that, sadly, he will be the one that leaves. But let me know your thoughts on all of that. Leave it in the comment section. Do you pay for Sky? Have you cancelled your Sky? Do you like Sky? Maybe you do like it. But the fact that you have to pay for 3 different subscriptions to watch Premier League football over the course of a season is pathetic. It is what it is. Let me know your thoughts and feelings on all of that. Where do you think Balogun's going to end up? Give me your thoughts on Gary Neville, Jamie Carragher. Even Rio as well. We like Rio on this channel. Big up Rio. So yeah, have a blessed day. Smash a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get this up to 85k people. Come on. Make sure you go and check out the second channel. Just dropped a video on there about Chelsea. Dusan Vlahovic is linked and Pulisic is going. And also check out the Rumble. Just type in League Gunner on Rumble and you will find it. And once I get the URL, I can then stick that out. But I think I need 30 subscribers or something before I can do the link. So yeah, I'm also on with Terry in less than an hour. So see you there, people.